Did you know that lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun? A single lightning bolt can soar to around 30,000 Kelvin. That's about 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. In just a split second, this incredible natural phenomenon unleashes one of the most powerful bursts of energy on Earth. Imagine witnessing that raw power. Lightning strikes can reach temperatures that vaporize air, creating a stunning flash and a booming thunder that echoes for miles. Next time you see a storm brewing, remember that each bolt is a reminder of nature's fierce beauty and energy. So, stay safe and enjoy the show from a distance.